Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm reviewing Kind patches under deep patches and answering the big question: does it really work or is it just hype? Kind patches claim to boost your energy through transdermal delivery, meaning the patch slowly releases active ingredients into your skin throughout the day. The idea is similar to nicotine or motion sickness patches, except this one is for energy. In my testing, I did notice a mild uplift in alertness, especially during the first few hours. It felt cleaner than drinking coffee, no jitters, no sudden crash. That said, the effect wasn't as strong as a cup of espresso, so if you're expecting a huge energy spike, you might be disappointed. Another plus is convenience. You just stick on a patch in the morning and you're good for the day. No need to brew coffee or chug energy drinks. But here's the catch: the ingredients list is vague and is not always clear how much each compound you're actually absorbing. That lack of transparency makes me skeptical about long-term effectiveness. The patches are also more expensive than traditional caffeine sources, so cost is something to be considered. Overall, Kind patches work, but not at the level the hype suggests. Think of it as a light boost, not a miracle fix. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.